And we are back. It's time to talk tech with you gadget geeks, Davey D and Lina girl. Hey, respect the tech. We're going to start with robots making ramen, or in South Korea, ramyeon. Now, there's a massive factory there that's helping to keep up with global demand by producing millions of packages of instant noodles every single day with robots, AI cameras, and high-speed machines.
Now, the facility makes most of the country's popular shin ramyeon and spaghetti noodles.
Ooh, I like that one. That one
Not
is
spaghetti-ish, spaghetti.
Yeah.
And last year alone produced more than 1 billion packs.
That is a lot of noodles, sis.
It is. But on average, people in South Korea ate about 4 billion servings of instant noodles. That breaks down to about 77 bowls per person.
Oh.
They love their noodles.
They do.
You know, it's a country that they make it and they also consume it.
That
right?
is so cool. And we consume them over here in Hawaii
We sure
too.
do. Whole stores of it.
My ankles get swollen after that. Anyway, more tech talk over here. A company called Frytrex has partnered with Little Caesars Pizza to deliver piping hot pizza via drone to your home in less than 5 minutes.
Okay, now before you get all excited, family, the service is currently only available in Wiley, Texas.
Aww.
Customers within a 4-mile delivery zone can order up to 2 large pizzas, drinks, and sides by drone as long as the order stays under the 8.8-pound weight limit.
Ooh, they're gonna have to up that if they come to Hawaii.
That's what I'm saying. That's why it's not here.
After customers place the order, the drone flies directly to their home and lowers the food, you can see right here on this video, into the yard using a wire without ever landing or having face-to-face contact. So that's pretty cool.
It should be here though, for sure.
Ooh, gotta get the bambucha, the
bambucha
crate.
drone.
Yeah.
Just the crane operator. All right. Now turning our attention to Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram. The Mark Zuckerberg founded company is expanding the features on its AI-powered smart glasses with a new design aimed at making everyday life easier and more convenient.
You know, sis, I read about some of the new features, and these are the cool ones that we want to share with you. Imagine going to Japan for vacation, and maybe you stop at 7-Eleven and you don't understand a word the person behind the counter is saying. Well, foreign languages will be translated in real time directly onto the lenses.
The glasses can, that's crazy.
I know.
Because I love 7-Eleven in Japan. All right, the glasses can also help users remember where they're parked or where they left items like their keys or phone. They can even calculate restaurant tips automatically.
The glasses may also eventually recognize familiar faces and provide reminders or helpful tidbits about people that the user may have met before. Right now, I have my wife Candice.
You have Candice.
For that.
We
both do. We both do.
I was just going to say, right now, I have Candice as well.
When we're walking towards somebody and we can see somebody that Candice.
Sister, who's that?
That's Ed. That's Sergeant Ed Ho.
Oh, thank you. Hey, Sergeant Ed!
Yeah.
We're terrible.
My wife has oh man, her memory is so awesome.
Yeah, she's our Meta. She's our Meta glasses right now.
I'm Meta Tita.
Now, sticking to Meta, Instagram direct messages are reportedly losing end-to-end encryption. So this is important, family, if you DM a lot, right? Meaning messages may no longer be fully private from Meta.
Wow. I can imagine some brothers right now getting nervous. You know, they slip into the DMs.
Yes.
So without encryption, Meta could potentially access message content and share information with law enforcement if requested. It's also possible the company will be able to use direct messaging content for advertising algorithms or training chatbots. I'm not cool with that. I'm cool with the law enforcement stuff because right now the law enforcement, they got to go through all kind things to try and access that.
Just to, right? Understood, but you give one, you're gonna have to give everything else, right? Meta is encouraging users who want encrypted messaging to use WhatsApp, which still offers end-to-end encryption along with other apps like Signal and iMessage.
Yeah, Candice and I use WhatsApp.
Yeah, just keeping that conversation private.
Yeah, we didn't know when Daisy was in college. Daisy gets all Candice's messages. Daisy is our daughter. She gets all Candice's messages on her laptop, her Apple laptop. So it's like, we married, so we're making any kind, yeah? Not knowing that Daisy was catching all of that.
They were talking sexy. And their baby girl was on that conversation, and she was like, ew, bleh, vomit.
Hence WhatsApp. Try it, family, if you're getting naughty.
Yes, go to WhatsApp so you can get naughty with your honey, all right? And if it's your birthday today, I hope you get a chance to get naughty with your honey.